Hi, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we're going to talk about something that's literally keeping us alive every single second. So, you probably had this in science class. The cell is the basic unit of life, but what does that actually mean? Why are cells so important? Why can't we live without them? Let's explore the answers together. Part 1. Understanding cell. So, first, what is the cell? A cell is the smallest part of any living organism that can carry out all the functions of life. You can think of it as a tiny living machine. There are two main types of cells. One, prokaryotic cells. It is the simple cell without a nucleus, like a bacteria. Two, eukaryotic cells. More complex with a nucleus or organelles, like the cell in the humans, plants, and animals. Each of our body trillions of cells work like a busy factory. Let's meet the workers inside the cell. The nucleus is the control center. It holds DNA, the engineer for life. And the mitochondria are the powerhouse that turn food into energy. And ribosomes are like cells. They cook up protein, and the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus help process and ship material around the cell. Every organelle has a job, and if just one fails, the whole cell and actually the body called it severs. Part 2. Cell in our body. Now, let's zoom out a bit. Our body is made up of about 37 trillion cells. The cells come in different shapes and sizes depending on what they do. Some examples: musical cell consists so when can move. Red blood cells carry oxygen from our lungs to every part of the body. White blood cells defend us from bacteria and viruses. Nerve cells send electrical signal so we can think, feel, and reset. Each type of cell is specialized, and together they form tissue, organelles, and organ system. So yes, every heartbeat, every stroke, every breath, it is all start with cells. Part 3. Cell communication. But cells don't just work alone, they communicate. They send and receive chemical message, kind of like texting. When you get scared, your brain cells send message to your adrenal glands, telling them to release adrenaline. When you're hungry, cell is your stomach and send signal to your brain saying, feed me, feed me. Yes, cell also compete. For example, in wound healing, skin cells, immune cells, and blood cells all work together to fight the damage. This teamwork is what keeps our body function as one big coordinated unit. Next, part 4. How cells produce. Cells also reproduce through division. This is cell mitosis. When your body needs to grow or replace itself, cell divides and make more of themselves. There's also meiosis, a special kind of cell division used to create sperm and egg cell for reproduction. Without the process, we couldn't have grow and reproduction. Fun fact, Your skin cells replace themselves every 27 days. Your stomach's lining renew every 4 or 5 days. Cells are constantly working behind the spaces to keep you alive and well. Part 5. What happens when cells fail? So, what happens if cells don't work properly? DSS lot of them. 1. Cancer happens when cells grow out of control. 2. The abscess occurs when certain cells stop producing insulin properly. 3. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's involve the death of brain cells. Every aging is a result of cell damage and slower cell division. That's why scientists study cells so closely to understand how to treat diseases and maybe even slow down aging. Part 6. Cells are the function of life. Every living thing from end to end explained is made of cells. Without them, there's no life. They build us, power us, perfect us, and repair us. And think about this, your strand is just one cell. After fertilization, that single cell divides again and again, and every time become the complex, incredible human being that is you. Amazing, right? Okay, guys. So to answer the question, why can we live without cells? Because cells are life. No cell, no us. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new today, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps me out, and I love to know what biology topic to want to see next. Hi, subscribe for more fun science content and stay serious. Bye bye.